heck is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a makeup tutorial. I went to my local drugstore. I went to Fred Meyer's, which is like higher end, kind of like Walmart here in Washington. So I went there, picked up a whole bunch of different drugstore products, did a full face for you guys. So much new stuff and so excited to share it with you guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, all of that, because it would mean so much to me. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video and let's get started. Fun! I have to like apologize for the way I look. I look crazy. I got this hydrating setting spray. So this is the Flower Seal the Deal Hydrating Setting Spray. Okay, very misty, guys, which is kind of nice. Asia, it's like so misty that you can open your eyes while you spray it. Next, I'm gonna moisturize. This is the Pacifica Dreamy Youth Day and Night Face Cream. This is my favorite moisturizer right now. Alright, I don't know if you guys have seen like the whole like TikTok trend, setting spray, moisturizer, powder, then like foundation, all that. The setting powder that I got for this video is the Milani Prep+Set+Glow Illuminating Transparent Powder. They had like a couple shades. They had like a white shade, which I didn't want to get a white shade for this one, so I'm just going to take my little brush. I didn't get different brushes, guys. I'm using my brushes, so you know, whatever. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm just gonna let that sit on my face. So for eyebrows today, I actually have two eyebrow things. I think I'm gonna do this in a separate video because this is kind of like semi-permanent kind of thing, you know. Today I'm gonna use the Revlon Brow Fantastic. How are they gonna cover the name? The Brow Fantasy by Colorstay. And I got it in dark blonde. I got it in dark blonde! I'm not dark blonde! We're gonna see how this goes. If it goes terribly, I have an idea. It comes with a pencil crayon on one side, and then it comes with a like setting brow gel kind of thing, which is nice.
No, you're literally in the mirror in the background.
I'm tired of you and your sister's shit.
What is Asia doing?
Why did Asia's friend just
Why did Jillian just walk in? He is just testing you.
You don't know a lot.
I don't know. You want to see my phone?
You don't know a lot. Every time they walk in,
I love how this is getting caught on video right now.
This nigga doesn't know.
I'm leaving.
Give me Leah's address, and I'm gonna walk in. I'm gonna put my feet up in the mirror.
I'm gonna take the pencil side and just, you know, do my brows. Do my brows. Okay, hold on. I need a spoolie because these need to be tamed. Yeah, I haven't done my eyebrows, so don't even freaking like. I don't trust myself to do it myself. Say hi, monkey. Look, say hi. Okay. You want TV? While mommy does your makeup. Take the brow gel and set them real quick. I like the consistency of this. So I got dark blonde. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's okay. We're gonna fix it. I promise you guys, we're gonna fix it. I didn't want to show you this till later, but we're gonna show you it now because I have to use it. So this is the eyeshadow palette that I got for this video. This is the LA Girl Pro Mastery eyeshadow palette. Look how freaking huge this is. Like, what? Let me take this thing off. See that? And look how big that mirror is. That mirror is huge. Devotee, which is this brown one right here. And I'm gonna fill in my brows with that because So we're gonna go ahead and conceal. So the concealer that I got is by Essence. It may be kind of hard to find, but like I said, I got mine at Fred Meyer's. I don't really know where else I could find it. Oh, Ulta. Ulta sells Essence. I'm gonna take my concealer brush. This is by Sonia Kashuk. This is by e.l.f., my little eyebrow brush, and then this one is also by e.l.f. So. We're gonna use some BB cream now. Like, I've tried almost every foundation, so I haven't tried this BB cream, and I haven't tried a BB cream in forever. I don't think I have one. So this is the NYX BB cream in Doré. That's what it looks like. Cute. I'm just gonna use, I don't like beauty blenders that much, fun fact, so you're really not gonna see me use them. I have a ton of them. I like my brush. Okay, I don't know if I want to put more. I'm gonna conceal and then see. I'm gonna put some eyeshadow primer on because my eyelids look crazy right now to me. The NYX Professional Makeup, I don't know why I said that. It's the NYX Eye Shadow Base, and it's in the skin tone shade because they have a white one too, and I wasn't trying to do that one. Now I'm gonna set everything back to the Milani Prep+Set+Glow. We're gonna do some eyeshadow, guys. I don't even know what to do. Skills and Proper, just kind of like, you know, all over my lid. You'll see. I'm gonna take Lovely, which is this like dark mauvey. We're gonna take Maven and put that just outside right here. Cool. That looks pretty good. Okay, we're gonna do concealer and we're gonna put some glitter on my eyes. So I'm gonna do concealer, back of the hand. We're gonna use Boss, and I'm gonna take the spray that I got and spray my brush a little bit. I'm gonna take the same Maven color and I'm gonna put that like under my waterline. Aficionado. That's what it is. I'm taking Aficionado and I'm going to just under my brow bone, just to like blend and brighten up the area. So now for eyeliner. For eyeliner today, I got the L'Oreal Matte Signature Liquid Eyeliner. Normally I use like felt tip pens, but Elisa convinced me to get this. Ooh. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes, and then I'll show you guys the lashes that I'm gonna use, and then the mascara. So the mascara that I'm using today is by Physicians Formula. This is the Rose All Day Extreme Volume and Length. I don't know why I wanted to try it. There's like so many freaking different mascaras, and I have hella mascaras, and I wear false lashes, so like I don't really try mascaras out like that. But today, this is what I'm using. It looks like this. I'm just gonna put some on my bottom lashes and top lashes really quickly. So for lashes today, I picked up 2 of them. They're by Lash Pop Lashes, and there's like a whole bunch of different colors, but I only like the blue ones because the blue ones look like this. So the other ones are like super simple, you know, and I kind of like dramatic longish lashes. I like to put glue on my lid, like on my lash line, and then a little bit on the lash too, because my lashes don't be staying that very well.
You're so beautiful, my baby. Look at that face. Give me a kiss, give me a kiss. I can't show my face today.
Okay, so next we're going to bronze my face. So this is the Milani Suntan Silky Matte Bronzing Powder. And I'm just going to take an e.l.f. brush and bronze away. If you guys keep bothering me while I'm doing my makeup, no.
It takes too long.
Because it's perfection. Now we're gonna put some blush on. Bro, not get highlighter. And there's no highlighter in this palette. There's no like highlighter shade in this palette. So I think I have to cheat, guys, because I can't leave without highlighter. That's just too matte. I'm using this Wet n Wild blush though because I liked the shade. It's in Mellow Wine. I like darker blushes. I think they look better on me. If I can open this hoe. So I just like don't have a blush brush. I don't have a highlighter, so I'm going to cheat. Honestly, I'm gonna use this one because I haven't really used this one. This is the Wet n Wild Loose Highlighting Powder in I'm So Lit. This is a Real Technique brush. It looks like this. I love this thing for highlighter because it like fits. We're gonna do my lips now because I'm pretty much done. This is the Flower Beauty Petal Pout Lip Liner in Toffee. Setting spray. I'm going to use the same one that I used to prime my face with. Alright guys, so that is the makeup look. This is the makeup look. I'm going to try and vlog a little bit throughout the day and show you guys how everything wears, how everything stays and stuff. Makeup looks bomb today, guys. Literally, like, I'm surprised. I really liked everything that I used, which is crazy. Like, I even like the brow stuff, even though it's a completely different shade. I think it's good. This was a success, guys. I'm so happy. This is lit. It is 6:42, guys. And I don't know what time I did my makeup, but it's looking kind of good. I look a little oily, but, you know, I usually always do, so that's a normal thing. But my makeup looks poppin' today, so good job, good job.
Gotcha.
My lashes
And you missed that one?
definitely
I'll take this. Yeah. We had 10.
We are 10.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you guys liked the makeup look. I had a ton of fun doing it, a ton of fun grabbing a whole bunch of new stuff and trying it out for you guys. So if you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up and I'll do more like this. Makeup is like something I'm super into. It's hard to do because I have a daughter, like a baby, so I don't have a lot of time to sit down, and it's obviously an interrupted video like this one. But hopefully you guys enjoyed it anyways. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the look. Comments, questions, anything, leave them down below. I want to know everything. I'll see you guys in the next video.